here with you today, and I'm sharing a new Mixed Media Monday layout and process video. The assignment for today was to use cut files. I decided to use the Spiral Flowers cut files, which you can download from the HipKit Club website when you are a subscriber. I cut some from pattern paper and some from white cardstock. I'll color these ones using the magical powders from the April color kit. I don't have the kit stencil yet, so I cut one using my Cameo. I start with creating the background of my layout. Therefore, I'll color modeling paste with the magical powders. First, I apply modeling paste on a piece of palette paper. You can also use a piece of foil instead. I add the powder and mix it with the paste. Place the stencil on the cardstock and apply the modeling paste with a palette knife. I dry the paste using a heat tool. The background is finished and I can start coloring the flowers. I spray water on the flower, add a bit of the magical powder, and add more water. And you can see how the powder reacts. This is how the different colors turned out. And here are the rolled flowers, which I embellished with a pearl, and my photos. Now let's go on with the layout. I back my photos with pieces of pattern paper and go through the embellishments to see which ones I want to use. I picked out some die cuts from the Pink Paisley Horizon Ephemera pack, which is included in the April main kit. I place them on my page and add some of the flowers. The title is also made with a cut file and backed with pattern paper. The die-cut leaves are from the Horizon Mixed Flowers pack, which is included in the April embellishment kit. Before I glue down photos and embellishments, I back the layout with pink cardstock. Now I can put everything together. To give the layout the final touch, I add some stickers from the April Pocket Life kit and animal shapes from the April main kit. Finished. I hope you enjoyed the process and feel inspired to get out your kits and try the magical powders. Thanks for joining me today.